Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon Influencer Program Step-by-Step Guide. Let's get into it. The Amazon Influencer Program offers two distinct paths, one for individuals seeking to earn income as influencers, and another for brands looking to increase product visibility through influencer-generated content. To start as an influencer, individuals must apply and be approved by Amazon. Once approved, they can upload video content for products currently listed on Amazon, even if they did not purchase those items from Amazon. These videos are typically informal, shot on smartphones without editing, and are designed to replicate authentic customer experiences. When a shopper watches one of these influencer videos on a product detail page and subsequently makes a purchase, the influencer earns a commission. The commission is not limited to the product featured in the video. It also includes other items the customer purchases in the same session. Amazon handles all payments directly, so there is no additional cost to the brand or seller. This has become an increasingly popular way for individuals to generate supplemental income. Many influencers who post 5 to 10 videos daily can accumulate thousands of dollars per month in recurring revenue by the 90-day mark. The model is accessible, does not require an established social following, and leverages everyday products already in the home. From a brand's perspective, the presence of influencer videos on product listings can significantly boost conversions. These videos appear alongside or beneath official brand content and often resonate more with shoppers due to their relatable, unscripted style. However, brands must also be aware of potential risks. There have been instances where influencers were paid by competitors to create negative content. Since Amazon does not filter influencer videos based on sentiment, listings left unmonitored may become vulnerable to brand-damaging reviews. To mitigate this, it's advisable for brands to proactively work with influencers, filling the available video slots on a product detail page, up to 15, with positive and authentic influencer content provides both social proof and protection. Once these slots are filled, they are less accessible to others, which helps prevent negative content from being uploaded by competitors. In addition to video uploads, influencers may participate in live streaming. These sessions can feature product demonstrations and are promoted through various Amazon Discovery channels, offering another layer of brand exposure. Overall, the Amazon Influencer Program is a powerful tool for content creators and brand owners alike. Whether used to generate income or strengthen product listings, it represents a low-barrier, high-impact strategy that complements traditional marketing and advertising efforts. Implementing a content strategy around this program, whether by creating content or sourcing it, can contribute significantly to long-term product visibility, consumer trust, and revenue growth. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.